That commission came from a video I did not film, did not edit, and did not write manually. I am going to show you the exact workflow start to finish right now. No camera, no editing software, no experience needed. But I am also going to tell you what this will not do, because most people skip that part and waste 2 weeks. Here's what this workflow actually does. Picks a product with real demand, generates a video script built for TikTok's algorithm, creates the actual video clip with AI, adds voiceover, captions, music, automatically outputs a vertical ready-to-post file. Here's what it won't do. It won't make you rich overnight. It won't work if you pick random products with no demand. It won't replace consistency. One video is a test, not a business. If you're okay with that, let's build it. 4 steps. That's the whole workflow. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete video ready to post. Let's go. Step 1. Product selection. Most people fail here before they even make a video. They pick something they like instead of something the algorithm is already pushing. You're looking for 3 things and only 3 things. Anything under 8% means you need massive volume to see real money. Not worth it at the start. This is the impulse buy zone. Under $20 and the commission is too small. Over $60 and people hesitate. $20 to $60 is where TikTok Shop converts fastest. If you can't demo it in 30 seconds, skip it. TikTok is not the place for complicated explanations. Something like this: a posture corrector at $34, 12% commission, 4,200 units sold this month. That's $4 per sale. Get 10 sales from one video, and that's $40 from a clip you made in under an hour. Skip the luxury items, skip the ultra cheap stuff. Stay in the zone. Once you've got your product, copy the product name and the top 3 customer reviews. You'll need those in the next step. Step 2. Building the script and hook. Now we build the script, and the hook is the only part that actually matters, because if the first 2 seconds don't stop the scroll, nothing else does. Write a 30-second TikTok script for a posture corrector priced at $34. Hook must create curiosity or mild shock in under 5 words. Include 1 problem, 1 result, 1 social proof line from reviews, 1 soft CTA. No hashtags. Conversational tone, no cringe. Look at the hook it gave us. Your back hurts because of this. 5 words. Specific. Relatable. That's a scroll stopper. The social proof line pulls from real reviews. Over 4,000 people bought this in the last 30 days. That's not a claim, that's a fact. TikTok audiences respond to numbers. Now here's where most tutorials send you to 3 different tools. 1 for the script, 1 for the video, 1 for the voiceover. That's where people drop off and never finish. I'm doing all of this inside InVideo because it handles the script, the video generation, the voiceover, and the captions in one place. No switching tabs, no exporting and re-importing. That's the only reason I use it for this workflow. Step 3. Generating the video. Inside InVideo, go to Workflows. This is different from just dropping a script in. Workflows are pre-built pipelines for specific content types. Select the TikTok product video workflow. This already knows the format: vertical, fast cuts, captions on by default. Paste your script here. Then, and this is the part most people skip, add a media direction line at the bottom. Use lifestyle footage, someone at a desk then standing straight. Avoid stock-looking gym clips. Warm lighting. Real feeling. That one line changes the footage it pulls. Without it, you get generic stock video that looks like a 2015 infomercial. While that's generating, quick note on what's happening. InVideo is matching your script to footage, timing the cuts to the voiceover, and auto-placing captions. You're not doing any of that manually. First draft. Not perfect, but 80% there in under a minute. 2 things to fix before you export. First, captions. Bold font, high contrast. If someone's watching without sound, they need to read it instantly. Second, the first frame. It needs to show the problem, not the product. If your video opens on the product, you've already lost half your audience. Now the video opens on the problem. The product becomes the solution. That's the structure TikTok rewards. This is where doing the edit inside InVideo saves time. You're just typing instructions to swap clips, not dragging timelines. Done. No timeline scrubbing. Step 4. Posting it correctly. Exporting takes about 60 seconds. While it exports, let's talk about the post itself, because this is where people throw away good videos. Post between 6 and 9 p.m. local time, highest active users. Caption. 1 sentence max, match the hook. Add the product link before you post, not after first comment. Ask a question to trigger engagement. The product link goes in before you hit post. If you add it after, TikTok treats it as an edit and can suppress early distribution. Small detail, real consequence. Caption matches the hook. 8 words, no hashtag stuffing. TikTok's algorithm reads content now, not hashtags. That first comment is a retention trick. It invites a response, which signals engagement to the algorithm in the first 10 minutes, the window that matters most. Before you post, 3 mistakes I see constantly. Mistake 1. Picking a product with no recent sales velocity. A product with 200 total sales is different from 200 sales this week. Check the trending filter in the affiliate center, not just total units. Mistake 2. A hook that describes the product instead of the problem. This posture corrector is amazing. Nobody cares. Your back hurts because of this one habit, now they're watching. Mistake 3. Posting once and waiting. The first video is data, not a lottery ticket. Post 3 videos on the same product with different hooks. One of them will hit, then you scale that one. This is also where staying inside one workflow tool matters, because when you need to make 3 variations of the same video, you're not rebuilding from scratch. You're just swapping the hook clip and re-exporting. Here's the full workflow in 30 seconds. That's it. No camera, no editing timeline, no guessing. The first commission isn't the goal, it's proof the workflow works. Once you have that, you repeat it. If you want to follow along with the exact workflow I used inside InVideo, I'll leave the link below. Everything I showed today is in there. No setup from scratch. If this was useful, the next video covers how to find products before they go viral, so you're posting when demand is rising, not after it peaks. See you there.